Welcome back, Crammers, to question 1. Write these numbers in order of size. Start with the smallest number. So first off, we count how many digits they have, and we can see we have 3, 3, 3, 3, 2. Since 2 is the smallest, we start with that. Then of the 3's, we can see we have 100, 100, 200, 400. So we start with 100, we have 171 and 105. 105 being smaller, then 171, then 233, and 490. Right, in figures, the number 5,102. So we start with ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Going from right to left, we have 2. Then tens are not given, so we just write 0. Then hundreds is given as 1, so we simply write 1. And thousands is given as 5, so we simply write 5. Write down the value of 3 in the number 7,439. Again, ones and tens. Since 3 coincides with tens, we simply write tens. Write the number 651 correct to the nearest hundreds. We look at the hundreds, and the value after that is a 5. We follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 to 4 we round down, 5 to 9 we round up. Since 5 is between 5 to 9, we round up. That means the nearest 100 is 700. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.